Team, I'm excited to introduce our new token system for patient appointments. This system aims to improve efficiency and reduce wait times for our patients.
How does it work, MIHIRAA?
Patients will receive a token with a number when they arrive. We'll display a screen with the current token number. Patients can wait in the waiting area until their number is called.
That sounds like a good idea. Will it be easy for patients to understand and use?
Yes, we'll provide clear instructions and have staff available to assist patients if needed. We'll also implement a system to notify patients if their appointment time is delayed.
What about patients who arrive late? How will that affect their appointment, MIHIRAA?
We'll have a policy in place for late arrivals. Patients who arrive late may need to reschedule their appointment or wait for the next available slot.
I completely understand, Mihira. Change can definitely feel overwhelming, especially when you're under pressure. But remember, you don't have to tackle everything all at once. Start with small, manageable steps. For instance, maybe try a 10-minute walk today to clear your head, or just set a bedtime for one night to see how that feels. Every little bit counts, and you certainly don't have to go through this alone. Our school counselors are here for you if you need someone to talk to, and your teachers might be able to offer some helpful study tips or adjust your workload if you're struggling. Even talking to your family about how you're feeling could relieve some of that pressure. They most likely want what's best for you too. For relaxation, there are some great techniques you could try. Deep breathing exercises or meditation can be very effective. Even just 5 minutes of focusing on your breath can really help reduce tension. If you're open to it, yoga is another fantastic way to relax both your mind and body.